In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coil boots on your Kia Sorento. Located under the hood, let's get started. Moving under the hood, we're going to be removing this cover. Simply grab one corner, pop it off, and then pop the other side. Move it out of the way. For this demonstration, we're going to be replacing number 4. And we're going to be taking off this cover. Simply slide it out of the way. Go up. And take it out. Now we're going to be unplugging the connector, and for that I'm going to use a small screwdriver. We're going to wedge it right here, and we're going to pry on it very carefully so we don't break the connector. Once we have that off, we're going to go ahead and pry on this tab and slide the connector off. Just like that. Using a 10mm socket, I'm going to remove the bolt. Remove the bolt and grab your coil pack. To replace the coil boot, we can simply grab it. You want to hold on this and you want to twist and pull at the same time. Just like that. To install the new one, we can simply slide it in. Before we install the boot on the coil, we want to make sure that we don't lose this fuse. For that, just slide it in. If it does fall out, just slide it in. Put the boot and slide it in place. Make sure that this is bottomed out all around. And now you're ready to install on the vehicle. Now we're going to go ahead and install the coil. Line it up with the hole and slide it in place. Want to go ahead and start the bolt by hand. Snug it up. And now we're going to go ahead and torque it to 9 foot-pounds. Now we can plug it in. Now we can go ahead and plug it in. Simply slide it in and make sure you lock it in place. Now we can install the high pressure fuel pump boot. Simply line it up with the holes. Make sure that is all the way. And now we're ready to install the cover. To install the cover, we want to line up these 4 grommets with the stand-ups located on the valve cover. Simply line it up with them and push it in place. And that's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.